Tampa?
Ybor City.
Ybor City?
Which is Tampa.
Which is pretty much Tampa for those of you non-Floridians. We're just exploring the town.
We're exploring. So I was born in Tampa, and I'm trying to like see if I have any deep down memories.
Yeah, we passed like 3 preschools that she says she may have gone to. So yeah, I guess we're going to take you along. We're not really sure what we're doing. We just are kind of exploring.
We're just being spontaneous. And Mama to share. Well, hopefully you guys can hear me. It's still pretty loud out and I got my mask on, but we are on our way to Cuba. Stay tuned. I came here as a kid with my dad, and I don't remember much about it except that I thought the word Ybor, it sounded like it should say Ybor.
It's very confusing because it starts with a Y and there's no E in it.
So as a kid, I just remember being confused by the word. But it's a really cool city, lots to do, a lot of restaurants and stuff. I feel like it would be a fun place to spend a weekend if you had a babysitter.
Yeah. Chickens running wild.
Chickens running wild.
Old buildings.
Old buildings. We counted 89 chickens.
Chickens everywhere.
89 chickens so far.
Wow, Scientology.
Yeah, so if you're looking for a new religion or something.
Yeah, and you happen to be in Tampa. Here's the Scientology church.
So, you know, whatever floats your boat.
Cool building. I like the building. Alright, we gotta get around this.
Cuba. Yeah, we walked to Cuba and back.
So, my phone said Cuba was gonna be closed. But the gate was open, so we just walked in. Bet you didn't know you could walk to Cuba. we're not on that map, buddy.
But the soil here is Cuban soil. I'm stepping underneath. How cool! Not American soil. Ah!
That's not an American bench.
Yeah, I know. I want to go to Cuba so bad. So from what I have learned via the internet, Cuba actually owns this little patch of land.
And by this little patch of land, she means this little patch of land. I think our yard is bigger.
Yeah, but still. So we're technically on Cuban soil. This is so cool. I've always wanted to go to Cuba.
Cuban statue.
It doesn't count as me going to Cuba, though. I still want to go. Paulina Pedrosa was one of the great women patriots of Cuba. After an attempt on the life of Jose and Marty, the Pedroso house became his refuge. Whenever Marty stayed here, the flag of the budding Republic of Cuba fluttered outside. Evenings, the Cubans formed groups outside the little house to watch One Apostle of Freedom through the windows. Marty's room remained lighted until late at night, and at times in the silence, the scratching of his pen could be heard. An intruder would have found Ruperto, Paulina's husband, on guard duty. Cool. This is so cool.
Well, we did Ybor City.
We did.
Now we are just enjoying a little spot by the bay.
Yeah, we are on Davis Island.
Davis Island Beach, I think, is where we are.
Yeah, it's nice and
Also,
peaceful.
this is our second video today.
Yeah, but don't talk about it.
Okay, cut that out. Editor, cut that out.
Okay.
So, what were your thoughts on Ybor City?
I think it was a fun place. I wish we had planned better specific activities that we wanted to do.
I had everything I wanted to do. We did everything I wanted to do.
We went to Cuba.
That's all I wanted to do was go to Cuba.
Okay, well, we did that.
Well, we're good then.
Anyways, we are going to head home soon. And hopefully the kids will fall asleep in the car and we will have a nice peaceful drive home.
Gonna blast some Amberlin.
Yep.
How am I supposed
jams.
to? Because they're from Tampa, so.
We're from Tampa, we're in Tampa.
Yeah.
Yeah, but how am I supposed to fall asleep?
Oh, you'll.
You'll be.
All right.
Alright, we will catch you guys on the next one.
We're getting there.